Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is part 22 for a step-by-step guide to learn Angular. So if you are directly coming to this video, I will recommend you to watch previous video first and then you can come to this video. These are the topics we are going to cover in this complete video series. And this is the application we are developing in this video series. So today we are working on HTTP interceptor. So in the previous video, we worked on authentication and we were manually adding our bearer token on HTTP headers. So to avoid that repetition, today we are going to create HTTP interceptor. So HTTP interceptor help us to transform our HTTP request before it completes. So let's start. Let's open our application. So first let's see our security service. So here we can see HTTP options and here we are appending our bearer token. So to avoid this repetition in multiple requests, we are going to create our interceptor. So let's start. So first I'm going to create one folder that's called interceptor and let's set our terminal to. Now let's generate our interceptor. So ngg for generate an interceptor, click enter. Then it is asking for the name of the interceptor. So I'm giving auth, http auth and let's enter. So it has created our interceptor. Now let's open this interceptor and let's change this unknown to any type. So let's type any here and let's change this also any. And what I'm going to do is before this request get complete, I'm going to clone this request and if I have bearer token available in my session storage, so I'm going to append that. So let's check if session storage dot get item and here I need to pass the key. So what is the key? Let's check in our security service. So in the security service we are having this key. So let's copy this key and paste it here. So if that is not null, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to clone that request. So request equals to request dot clone and inside the clone I'm going to set my HTTP headers. So let's give set HTTP headers and here I can give auto same the what we appended in our security service, same authorization keyword I need to copy from here and the value will also be same. Let's copy this and paste it here and instead of our reading from our service, let's read from session storage. So let's change this. Yeah, so that's all for interceptor. It's very simple, but I need to tell my module to use this interceptor, right? So how will my module will know this is a new interceptor? So let's go to our app module and in the providers I need to provide and here I can see HTTP interceptor. So I'm saying provide HTTP interceptor and use my class. So use class and what is my class name? Let's copy my class name here and paste it here. Let's import it and also I'm saying that allow multiple instance. So multi equals to true. And in the last, as we already have our interceptor, so let's remove this and also remove this HTTP options. So now we have interceptor, so I should get result as I was getting earlier. So let's check that. Let's run ng serve command, and it's compiling now. Let's click on link. Now let's log in with the correct user. So password is 12345, and now I should see that user details JSON. So let's submit, and yeah, still I'm getting the same result. So our interceptor is working as expected. So before I end, I have one task for you. So as we are injecting our token using interceptor, similar to that, we don't have any progress bar in our application. For each HTTP request, I want to show some progress bar. So if some request is taking more time, so user will know that something is in progress. So we can use the interceptor for that as well. So I want you guys to try that, and I am going to upload video for same in some upcoming video. So just try that, and I would be very happy if you can share your feedback for that. So that's all for this video. In the next video, we will create a guard as because if you will directly enter the to-do or dashboard URL in the browser, so still user is able to go on that page. So I want to prevent that, and also I want to add a return URL. So suppose he is trying to navigate to do, so first I will redirect him to login page, and after his successful login I will redirect back to do, not on dashboard. So that part we are covering in the next video. Thank you.